Hey guys, it's Victor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Wurst hack client from Minecraft for 1.16.4. It was just released today, well, actually yesterday, because it's past midnight. And yeah, it's a hack client that allows you to do a lot of different things. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come to this top link in the description labeled the Wurst, and you're just going to want to click on it. It should bring up this little link shortener right here, and you can just click skip, and it'll bring you right to that website. Now that you're here, you're just going to want to go and click on Wurst, and then download Wurst. You can see the most recent release right here, 1.16.4, and it supports 1.16.4 with more bug fixes, just as it states there. Just click on that and it can give you more details, and then you can just download it right here. Now you're just going to want to keep that there. Next, you're going to want to download the Fabric launcher. Again, just a link shortener, and you can just skip this in the top right, and then just keep this on latest version and just download installer. You're going to want to run this installer. Something should pop up in a few moments. And as you can see, 1.16.4, make sure it's on that and install. Make sure to have create profile enabled. Right, you should have a success message. Just click OK and you can exit out of that. And now you're going to want to download the Fabric API. Once again, just click skip. In a few moments, 3, 2, 1, your download will begin. Just keep this file. And now what you're going to want to do is type in run in Windows and open up app data. Gonna go to roaming.minecraft and then to your mods. Inside of here, you're gonna want to drag in your Wurst and your Fabric. There you go. Now you can exit out of all this and open up your Minecraft launcher. Once your Minecraft launcher is open, you should see the Fabric loader 1.16.4, and make sure it's selected in your profiles and just click play. Now once Minecraft's open, I'll be able to show you that Wurst has been installed successfully. As you can see, now that I'm logged onto this random world, I have Wurst installed in the top left, full right on, and lots of other parts of Wurst, and I can click right shift to turn on any of these hacks that you want to use. Chest ESP, click GUI, I mean really anything you want. As you can see, Nuker is on. That's causing this a little bit of lag here. Now if this helped you out and it worked for you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.